Lots of deliveries today, not the best weather for it, but we need to get some clean stone 75mm down on the site. So busy day, lots of graft, lots of steps in today. Backfilling with clean stone, so the gap where we just put all the new drains in. So we need probably between 10 and 15 20-ton loads. So Alex, challenge of the day.
Yeah, we are in the top field, second load today. Got on the grass, unfortunately we're spinning out, so it's one of those things. Everybody's frustrated. We tried to shovel earth out from under the front wheels, differential locks on, we've got trap bats under, they've been sucked under the back wheels ready. What are you doing, Rob? Can you speak English?
We've now got another load, 20-ton load of clean stone on the back of the second truck that is now going to try and attempt to pull out the stuck truck on the right hand side.
This is what 75mm clean with no fines looks like. And the good thing about this is volumetric. You get lots of it, and it's got lots of water gaps in between, or air gaps should I say. So when we backfill here up against the protective eggshell membrane, and then don't forget that the waterproofing membrane is under that again, this just provides mechanical protection that technically any water will go straight through right to the bottom where the land drain is. If you remember, there was clean stone, Terram, the geotextile and the land drain, so any water will migrate all the way around the building. Who's coming today, Beth?
Martin Thomas.
And who's Martin?
Martin is our building control officer from Plymouth City Council. He is an absolute legend. Legend. We love Martin. He's brilliant. So helpful, so informative. He's been brilliant. So we'll meet him in a minute.
Martin today is coming to have a look at the groundworks, the backfill, the drainage, the tanking and everything else that he hasn't yet seen. So yeah, what do you think so far?
Doing well. For a south build, it's a big project.
It is, isn't it?
Well, you can see for yourself, can't you? And all these windows open, yeah?
Yeah, all these will be open.
Inside, and this is all fixed, open into here, yeah?
That's right. So that's Martin, the building control officer, away now, and he's really happy with everything that he's seen. Everything's been done to the correct standard and as per the architect's drawings. So he said the next time he needs to see is when the windows go in. But in between then, at certain stages, we email him the information about the things we're doing, accompanied by photographs, just so that can go on our file, and there's a historic record then as we progress through the build. Toilet cleaners came the other day, as you saw. Really great service, just check that out. Everything's dried off nicely, it's really clean, although it's not going to get much hammer at the moment because there's not that much work going on. There's myself, Glyn and Beth